Hello teachers, this is Nathan, your instructional technology specialist for Floyd County Schools, and today I want to show you how to set up reports, your weekly reports, when you sign on to Pathblazer. So once you log into Clever, you'll see Pathblazer here. That's how you get to it, and then you will click on Pathblazer and open up the program. Once you get in, the first page you're going to see is your dashboard. It'll show you all of your students here. But we want to skip on over to reports. So if you click on reports, here's where we'll set up the weekly report that you will get in your email that will show you the progress that your students have been doing from the previous week. So on the left side, we're going to look to the bottom and we're going to select progress reports. Once we select progress reports, we want to select the default student progress report. So we'll go over here to the settings option and click that. Now the first one that pops up is the report name, and we want to change that. So we want to change that for this example, we're going to use Miss Smith's account, so we're going to call this Miss Smith's block 1. We want the date range to be last week because we want to know what the progress the kids did from the previous week. We'll leave all of this checked. We'll come up to the next tab, which is curricula, and we're just going to leave all these checked. It doesn't matter. Typically you're going to be using math and then language arts right above there. We want to leave the grades checked as well because you might have some students that perform at a higher grade level or even a lower grade level, and this will include that in the report. Next, we want to go to the assignments tab. Everything on here can be left alone. It's going to be fine. So we'll just leave it and we'll skip over to the Students tab. Now under the Students tab, this is where you can select your classes. So if I select here on the left my classes, it should pull all of your classes from PowerSchool. Then you can select the class that you want to pull the report from. If it's just one class or two classes, just depending on how you want to see your reports. We're going to select this first class just for an example's sake. Then we're going to add the selected items. So now I know that, okay, I've got 27 students in this class. This is the right class. And next, I'm going to schedule and send this. So this is how we schedule it for you to get an email each week for the progress. So we're going to turn the status on. We're going to select the start date. So once your students start on Pathblazer, we will pick that date. So I'm assuming we're just going to guesstimate that it'll be the 23rd, and you can change that to whatever you need it to be. We want to run the report every week, and we want it to stop on May 21st or 22nd. We'll select that date. We want to run the report every week, but we want to run the report on a Sunday, and that way it will pull all of the data from Monday through Friday. So we don't want to pick a weekday. Sunday's typically the best day. You can do Saturday too. If you enjoy working Saturday afternoons, you can have it sent to you on Saturday. If you look over here to the right, we want to make sure that your name is checked. We're using Miss Smith's account, so her name is checked. Also, if you have a co-teacher that would like to get the reports as well, you can type their email address in here. So I'm going to put mine in as an example. And then lastly, we're going to select PDF file because CSV files are not real fun to look at unless you just love spreadsheets. So we're going to stick with PDF file. And then we're going to click Save. And it will ask you if you're sure that's the name you want to use. We'll say yes, and then now we have saved our report that's going to come to us weekly. So that's how you create a report to come to you through Pathblazers. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact your instructional technology specialist, and we'll be glad to help you any way we can. We hope you have a great day.